Where you at, Bella? Where you at? Come here, stay. Come here, boo-boo. Come here. It's okay, boo-boo. It's okay. I got you. Shh. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, come here. Come here. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. And it's okay, sweetheart. Okay. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah, it's okay. It jolted me awake, and because I was actually it actually incorporated itself into one of my dreams, so I was dreaming about it, and then suddenly it jolted me awake because it was so bad. I looked at the time, and since you have to be at work in a couple hours anyways, I called for you because she's gonna have to go out to pee, and then she got to the point where she wasn't making any sound again while she was trying to hack up. So I went and picked her up, realized that she already peed somewhere, probably during a coughing fit. And then I just got down and sat with her, and this has been going on since. And she looks at us like, oh, hey, play with me, I want some attention, but not like, hey, I'm in crisis. Boo-boo, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Calm down. Calm down. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay, baby. Yeah, she walks up to us because she wants attention or a treat, basically. So she's not 100% focused on the fact that she's coughing up a lung. Hi, baby. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Let's get you some cough medicine and then go from there, okay? Mommy's already planning on calling Dr. Rooney. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You're okay. You're okay. What's he doing? He in the kitchen? Is he gonna get treats or something? And she's now looking towards the kitchen with her ears perked, trying to see if she can hear something that might be food related. Oh, and she's staying cautiously back because she also knows that he does her cough medicine in there, so and she doesn't like getting it. So she's getting her regular, a full dose at 3 a.m. You need me to help? Good job. Good job, baby.
There you go.
Yeah, you're a good girl. You're a good girl. You want a treat now? You can have a treat. And get that nasty medicine down. Yeah, come here. Come here, baby. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Later on this morning, she needs a rinse from the medicine because she's got it all over her. She's a crusty dog. You're okay. I know. Alright. I'll time it from here.